Box Office Entertainment Awards here at the CPR Auditorium in RCBC Plaza. We will now give recognition to the top drama actors on daytime and primetime television. They are the ones who have made us cry, made us laugh, and made us angry.
Her role as Dr. Annalyn Tanyag had created an impact in... One more time, please. Her role as Dr. Annalyn Tanyag created an impact and gave inspiration and strength to those whose dreams seem unreachable. She has touched so many hearts through her portrayal, and this excellent performance has contributed a lot in the consistent high ratings of the teleserye Abot Kamay ng Pangarap. Make way for our daytime TV drama actress of the year, Jillian Ward.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Rick Santiago.
Yung bini nandyan maluwag. Oo nga, promise.
Hello po ulit. Kinakabahan na naman ako.
Ayun na.
Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat po syempre kay God for everything, sa lahat po na nangyayari sa buhay ko. I feel so blessed. Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation sa recognition po na ito. Syempre gusto ko po magpasalamat sa aking mga boss or parang mga magulang ko na po sila sa industry. Sina Miss Annette Gauson, Miss Joy Marcelo, Boss Vic Del Rosario, and sa lahat po ng mga nag-guide and mentor sa akin during the taping po of Abot Kamay ng Pangarap, Direk L.A. Madridejos, Miss Ann Villegas, Miss Joy Pili, at ang aking mga naging co-stars na talagang natuto po ako sa kanila. At syempre po sa mga... Marami po kasi akong gustong banggitin kaso po baka buong gabi po ako andito. So gusto ko lang po pasalamat sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta po sa akin on and off cam. Sobrang grateful ko po. I feel so blessed. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. And of course, sa mga kapatid ko po, kay Jermaine, Janelle, and Jelson, hello. And syempre, kay Papa. And most of all, ang pinaka-love ko sa buhay ko, my mama. So, maraming salamat po. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you. And of course, to GMA Network and Sparkle, thank you for everything. I love you guys. Good night po sa inyo lahat.
This next award, you made a big...
Maraming salamat po. I hope na patuloy po ang pag-inspire ng show na to kahit matagal na po namin natapos. Nakikita ko na marami pa rin po talagang nai-inspire sa Abot Kamay ng Pangarap. Kaya maraming salamat po. And of course, to my mama and papa, this is for you. So, thank you po. Good evening and God bless you all.
From your favorite daytime drama, we now move on to primetime viewing. Of course, hindi kompleto ang ating mga gabi without watching the drama, comedy, action, and even love story.